Ramogi TV.
Riwruok mar ute lamo pacho ka NCCK bade ma ugwe mar Kenya oseyo sirkal kuom rewdeo achiedhnade mokwako sekta mar thieth pacho ka. Koloso gi jofwambo, jakom mar NCCK Leonard Kasioka owacho ni sirkal onego ne ni chandruok mantiere sekta mar thieth orumo. Owacho ni jotuo medo yudo chandruok kaluwore koda sirkal golo chenro mar Universal Health Coverage kod Edu Afya Medical Scheme. Kapok oketi chenro mar Shif kare mondo okony jopiny. Komachielo, jaod bura makieni Njoroge Wainaina okwayo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo gole tich jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha kata miye tije mamoko mayotne.
Is extremely slow and not well understood. As a result, many patients are suffering greatly as health facilities quietly decline to treat them based on the NHIF. The most troubling is the failure to implement policies and measures that meaningfully cut down the cost of living, contrary to what was promised during the elections. Persistent increases in taxation is hurting our people. We call on the Parliament to fast-track the review of the Finance Act of 2023.
We are 55 million Kenyans, and our Minister for Health is one, Nakumicha Susan. Mimi nikiziweka masikio yangu kwa ground, the feeling of the people is that she is a minister but not a good minister for health. We are not challenging the appointing authority, but she can maybe do in another ministry. Because what would happen if we had a crisis like the COVID-19 we had in 2020? Can Lily Nakumicha deliver us from those temptations? The answer from the many people in Kenya is that she may not be able to. For that reason, I'm pleading with the appointing authority, kindly bring a serious person to that ministry.